Welcome to the fascinating world of molecular biology, the branch of science that explores the molecular mechanisms underpinning cellular processes. At the heart of molecular biology is the study of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, and their role in storing, transmitting, and expressing genetic information. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic blueprint for life. It's composed of two strands forming a double helix, held together by base pairs, adenine with thymine and cytosine with guanine. These sequences of bases encode genes, which are instructions for building proteins. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, plays several roles in translating genetic information from DNA into proteins. Messenger RNA, mRNA, acts as the intermediary, carrying the genetic code from the DNA in the nucleus to the ribosomes, where proteins are synthesized. Transfer RNA, tRNA, and ribosomal RNA, rRNA, are also critical in the protein synthesis process. Central to molecular biology is the central dogma, which describes the flow of genetic information. DNA is transcribed into RNA, and RNA is translated into protein. This concept is fundamental to understanding how genes dictate cellular function. Molecular biology techniques such as PCR, polymerase chain reaction, and electrophoresis are essential for amplifying and visualizing DNA sequences, allowing scientists to analyze genetic material in detail. Recombinant DNA technology enables the insertion of genes from one organism into another, revolutionizing fields like medicine, agriculture, and bioengineering. Furthermore, molecular biologists study DNA replication, repair, and recombination, which are critical for maintaining genetic stability. They also explore gene regulation and signal transduction pathways to understand how cells respond to their environment and maintain homeostasis. In recent years, CRISPR-Cas9 has emerged as a groundbreaking tool that allows precise editing of the genome, holding promise for treatments of genetic disorders and beyond. Molecular biology is a vast and intricate field, interconnecting many scientific disciplines to unravel the complexities of life at the molecular level. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.